are here at Dumangas, Iloilo to celebrate the 10th year anniversary of Curvus Café. So excited na ako nga malantaw ang aton nga bagong look ng Curvus Café. So join me. Baba tayo sa puno. Kala natin, di ba? Ang tangkad-tangkad ng puno. Kasing tangkad ko. So let's go here. Welcome to Curvus Café here at Dumangas, Iloilo. Come on! Yes! Mga kabangbangin, sa decade refined here at Curvus Café sa Dumangas, Iloilo. Siyempre, ang akong experience, hindi pwede nga ako lang isa nga storya sa inyo. So, we will be calling in ang kaugid nga dapat pangitaon nyo kung magkadto mo diri sa Curvus Café ng Aina. Come on inside, join me! Woo! Number one, din lang ang question. Diin gid ang exact na address sa Curvus Café.
So, Curvus Café is located at Sitio Bool, Barangay Sapao, Dumangas, Iloilo. For the landmark, kita niyo siya before ka mo magkanto sa Dumangas po.
Yes, malapit lang gid kita sa Dumangas Port. Pag may ari ka mo diri nga esplanada, ma.
Yes, may esplanade kami nga nag-run through along sa may coastal areas ng Dumangas.
And ang isa pag gid na excited ako ma-explore later. Currently we are at Building 1.
Building 1, yes.
And what's new about Curvus Café ang the 10th year natin?
10th year, we're going strong, we're still growing, and at the same time, naka-maintain natin na ating quality ng food and to cater the people dito mismo, not only in Dumangas, but the whole Iloilo. So, what's new? We are inventive in doing food, but we maintain our identity as Curvus mismo, na serving food with warmth, with love,
Serving food with warmth and with love. So this makes me excited sa mga pagkaon nga ihanda karon sa Curvus Café, especially today, exactly today. It's not just the 10th year anniversary, but also it's Mother's Day celebration. So tanan nga mga moms out there, mami na hindi pa?
hindi pa.
Soon to be, hindi
No.
nga pareho sa amo ni Nang Aina. Well, comment down below. Yeah! Happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. No, kat sa mga gusto pa maglagas, diri lang gid kami sa may Dumangas Barangay.
Sapao, Sitio Bool.
Ayun, sa Pau City Hall. Ano oras kita gabukas na?
Ang amon yung building 1, ang operation is from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday to Fridays. But on weekend, we operate 7 a.m. Ang building 2 naman is currently under renovation ng other parts. So, closed siya on weekdays. But we're open on weekends from 12 noon up to 10 p.m.
Ay, grabe, no? Until 10 p.m. Pag syempre, hindi pa nag-uusap ang ako na surprise kay Carol! May pa-fireworks kita! Yes! Kung hindi ka mo kakabol sa fireworks, hindi man duro night dinner with your special loved one over the candlelighting. Ah, perfect!
Oh yeah.
Thank you! Golden hour here at Curvus Café. Yes, mga kabangbang, we are now here sa building 2 of Curvus Café. Of course, I have here with me, Vicky.
Hi everyone! I am Vicky and you can find me on TikTok. I am Vicky on TikTok and also I have a YouTube channel, Viky's Vlog. And on Facebook, you can follow my page, Ilongga Writer.
Ayun, of course, Ilongga Writer. Ano ang imo gidya nga asset or genre sang pagsulat?
When it comes to writing, I actually do a lot of genres. I can do horror, romance, but mostly romance talaga. A romantic girl.
Yes!
Cheers! Cheers!
Yes, iced coffee
Iced
siya, akon brewed coffee. You know me, perfect na perfect ang aton nga moist cakes.
It's really creamy.
Yeah,
Perfect lang
creamy
siya. Not too sweet, but it's just fine.
Wow! Perfect siya sa ato nga brewed coffee. Ubos na akong brewed coffee. Ang mga wala nagkakape, once again, we have 119 pesos mango shake. Then we have here avocado shake. Ano na tang sa ingod mo ya, Vic, na serve diri nga pamahaw.
Yeah. I have here pepperoni pizza. It's 369 pesos only. And I also have here 4 cheese pizza. So if you like, you know, cheesy pizza, you can have this one.
Pag kumayara kita nga, mga kids, can you tell me anything about your cutie pie?
Pie. So I have a 7-year-old kid. He's really, really cute. And he loves pizza so much, ate. Always like, Mommy, can you buy me pizza? Yeah, perfect place for kids. Kasi there are many foods na available. So there are many options.
I'll have this one,
Here,
and you
I'll have this one.
pepperoni.
Kasi hindi ako ma-cheese.
Oh, ako mahilig ako sa cheese. Super. Noon.
I like it.
Anong mas bet mo, the 4 cheese or the pepperoni?
Pepperoni. Kasi it's like an explosion of, you know, flavors. And I like the onion kasi. It's very delicious.
Cheese lover ako, but for this round, I prefer the pepperoni. Nakita nyo man, ubos na akong pepperoni. Ubos na ako.
Super delicious.
What I like pagid, no, there's a merging sang appreciation for our kids when it comes to nature. So, overlooking kita diri sa baybay, no? Malapit kita sa esplanade. Pagkadamo pa diri sang mga puno. So, ma-enjoy kita din. It's not just the food, but of course, nature trip. And going back to the food, isang pagingan namian, kulang tawang ila presentation sang ila mas kumado sugar, mga kabangbang, grabe. Chocolate hills yarn, no? May tatlo. Kikis sa ato, no? Ready, 1 scoop, 2 scoops, 3 scoops. No, kanami,
I
isang
like it
presentation.
kay separate nila ang kalamay, you know, the sugar. Para if you like your coffee, you know, brewed talaga and black na, walang halong sweetness, kasi marako kayo, then it's good.
Yeah,
But if you like sweet, so you can just add.
yes. Kasi sa mga hindi gusto sang sweetness overload, may ari makita di savory nga snacks for our
Yeah.
kids, no? And of course, for the mommies, kung nag-date, kamo ang gusto nyo, share kamo nga duwag, dungan kamo ang kabay. Grabe, perfect. We have here, Curvus Café Burger for only 209 pesos.
I like the classic.
And we also have here ang aton nga Amber. Amber is 279 pesos. May ara siya nga peanut sauce. Ay, wow!
Yes, cheese and try the meat.
Look. May ara kita nga potato and may cheese siya.
Cheese. Hi guys. Hi Kimi. We're doing a vlog.
It reminds me of Vietnamese spring roll. May ari man kita nga Scarlet Burger, which is may ara naman siya nga specialty nila nga red sauce. This is 269 pesos. Sa strawberry?
Ate, sabi nila, it's a secret special nila. Sinasabi mo.
Secret lang to. Or something nga jam. Basta sweet siya. Sweet and there's really
Yeah.
cake.
Cake. There's a cake.
In fairness, Ang the 3 burgers, anong pinakagusto?
Classic. I
Same.
like the classic.
Pero the taste buds,
Yeah.
mas gusto kong classic. Mas ma-feel ko ang pagka-burger. Ang burger. This reminds me, I told you earlier, parang Vietnamese spring roll because of the peanut butter. But really, it does taste good. And surprisingly, grabe ang pagka-unique sang flavors, ang sweet and diba parang may jam. Cheers!
Cheers! I'm so excited for the live band and fireworks later, guys.
Yes! Curvus Café! Visit them here at Dumangas, Iloilo. Malapit lang sa may Roro. Kung magkado ka mo sa Bacolod, hindi ba kalimti nga maghapit, mamahaw manyapon kag magpamahaw sa aga. Pag-abot nyo diri sa Iloilo. Bye-bye everyone!
Ayaw kayo nakahapit ka mo sa akong nga channel. Kung bago pa lang ka mo dili, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimtin. Ruby inspired!